During Samsung's Impact event on July 10th, the company gave a detailed presentation on the Galaxy Ring, a device that had been discussed publicly for quite some time. Now, we finally have specifics on what it offers and when it will be released. Set to launch on July 24th, with a price of $399, the Galaxy Ring is almost here. Yet, attention has already shifted to what's next: Samsung's Galaxy Ring 2. Even though the first Galaxy Ring hasn't hit the market yet, there's already speculation about its successor. Patents have given hints about the design and new features for the Galaxy Ring 2. While there's no official confirmation on its appearance, Samsung's patents provide some interesting insights. A May patent, uncovered by 91 Mobiles, showcases the potential new Galaxy Ring designs. Unlike the original Ring's simple circular design, one new version has a flattened top resembling a thick signet ring, which may include a display. Another design features two displays forming the Ring's outer shell. In this design, one display would allow users to interact with icons, while the other would show relevant information. The images show icons for battery life, unlocking, chat messages, emails, maps, and even a camera. Additionally, the patent mentions that the Galaxy Ring will be available in 65 different sizes in the US.